Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you all how to enable Google Assistant on Honor Magic 7 Lite. So firstly, go into settings, now tap on the search bar and search up Assistant and settings. Then go into Assistant settings, now scroll a bit down and go into General right here. Now make sure this button is blue, and if it is blue it means that Google Assistant is enabled. And now to activate him, all you have to do is pull from one of the bottom corners to the top, just like this. Or if you have buttons that are as the navigation of your device, you can just press and hold the home button, or in both cases you can just press and hold the power on button. So yeah, the power button. And that's going to be all. If I helped you, please leave a like and subscribe, and if you have any more questions, let us know in the comments.